Hi, this is my family's favorite healthy stir fry. Let's cook with me so that the broccoli stays green and crispy. I like to use the broccoli stems, and I first soak the broccoli in water and salt to remove small caterpillars. Squeeze the broccoli and let it sit for a few minutes. Boil broccoli with 1 spoon of salt about approximately 20 seconds so that the broccoli will stay green. Heat vegetables oil for frying. Saute the garlic until fragrant and also add slices of ginger. Add the chilies and saute until half cooked. I added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to make it a little thicker. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This one is sweet soy sauce. And also add seasonings as your taste, like salt and pepper. And I add a little bit flavoring. Keep stirring the sauce until mixed evenly. It's time to put in the broccoli and cook it not too long because we have briefly boiled it before. Just before it's done, put in the spring onion to add more flavor. Look at the green color of the broccoli. So beautiful. Don't forget to correct the taste, and voila, it's done. Enjoy the deliciousness of the crispy broccoli and its beautiful green color, as well as the extraordinary benefit of the broccoli itself, which is very good for our bodies, and then your family gonna love this. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.